Hello everybody, it's Middle C back again. It's Friday, so I got another basketball break. Not the greatest product, but I could not pass it up. I got all three blasters for $33 or 11 bucks each, so kind of hard to back. You only get 20 cards per box in these 21 Chronicles draft pick. You do get 4 blaster exclusive rookies and stars. I'm just hoping for one nice card. $33. Figure I get a bunch of cards. So who knows? I did open up a mega. I pretty much know to stay away from draft Chronicles, but unless it's like this, we'll open up about any product if I can get it for cheap. But 11 bucks each. Alright, blaster 1. Only 20 cards, pretty crazy too, but the checklist is never that big either. So Boston, Barnes. We got a silver. Jackson, select. Alright, that's a nice surprise there. XR Johnson. Alright, I'll take some more silver. Nice looking card. Pack 2, Wagner. Thompson. Marquis and Suggs. Ooh, we got Flux coming. Butler. I don't know why my son is yelling right now. Jalen Green. Flux. We got Spencer. Recon. I like those cards. Alright. And Moody. Alright, last pack of last one. I do like the first card there, the Jackson. Quentin, Mobley, Johnson, Kate Canahan. Alright, blaster 2. Just give me one silver prism each blaster. Alright, blaster 2. I will open up some bonus packs also. I do every basketball break. We're due to hit something nice out of those bonus packs. Alright, second blaster, Scotty Barnes, Kate Jones, another Cade, Suggs, oh Cade Optic, that's pretty nice. Second Recon Pink, Christopher. Alright. Too bad that's not a silver optic. That would have been pretty nice. Jackson, Wagner's. Oh, that's pretty cool. Springer. Gala. K. Jones. I don't know what is hard to pull and what's not out of these. But pretty cool Gala card. Alright, last pack of Blaster 2. We got Suggs, second Recon, XR, and alright, Blaster 3. This blaster goes fast, only 20 cards each. Never pay early stuff, college stuff, never pay full price. It always comes down. Man, we got a Mosaic Wagner, a little Marquis Johnson, Kate Cunningham Elvitz, and a second one of those. That card, that might be thicker, I don't know. Just me. Johnson, Boston, Chronicles, a Matt Mitchell autograph. Here we go. Bonus shots. 11 bucks each. I figured maybe I can sneak an autograph, and I did. Very cool. Prestige. Not a bad looking auto. Well considered. Sticker auto. Alright. And we got another Recon. Regular one, Wagner, and Jackson. All right, last pack. I should have saved that pack for last. I'll do my bonus ones. Thompson, Mobley, base select, Springer, Pink, Marquis, Jackson, and Wagner. All right, bonus packs. I got Hoops and Donruss, and guess what? We are out of packs on my 89. Last one. We'll see if we can hit a Steve Kerr or another Jordan. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up this Hoops. I have another box, but I'm probably just going to open up Donruss and Hoops. I have a ton of these packs. I got a lot of these packs for 69 cents at GameStop. Pro Days, whatever it was. Oh, there we go. Second card, Steve Kerr. Rookie card. First look, it does not look in bad shape. Rather splintered, a little off, but not bad. Hey, that's pretty nice. Alright, good last pack. Oakley, Dominique Vulcan, Barkley All-Star, and Chris Mullins. Alright, pretty cool pack. Alright, let's do the Hoops. Use GameStop. Get the yellow parallel. Mitchell, Column, Trae Young, Lonzo Ball, yellow, and green rookie. Alright, last pack of the break. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Got Kyrie Irving, Leonard, and Tristan Thompson. Alright, so pretty cool break. Got the autograph. Some nice silver of Jackson, Kerr. Pretty good break for like $33 plus the cut ball pack. So really, not bad at all. So we'll be back next Friday for another basketball break, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.